Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can blog active advertised topics on your Chrome. So maybe you don't comfortable with the some like specific advertise like automotive or maybe e-commerce topic. You want to block it, block the advertise that show up on your websites. It's easy to do. Just click on top right corner of your screen and click on settings, and you can click on privacy and security, and this is the ad privacy. Customize the info used by sites to show you ads. Click it and click add topics. And if you disable add topics, you cannot disable the specific, you cannot block specific ads on your Chrome. But if you try to enable, there is some active topic in here that you can block easily. And topic, when a topic is blocked, it will not be used to personalize ads. So your blocked topics will be in here, so you can unblock it. So right now, because of I turn off the add topics, no active topics on my list and no blocked topics on my list also. So if you turn on, by default the add topics is on, you can see so many topics that you can block easily. So there's a toggle that you can switch on the active topics. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.